divide 63 by 2. So here we divide 63 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 0. So now this 0 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 3 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we can take here 0. So now it becomes 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 63 divided by 2 we get 31 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.